Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will take a look at how to use a framer template. Now, to add a framer template or to use a framer template, all we need to do is to go into framer.com and then let's just go ahead and log into our account. If you haven't already got an account, just go ahead and log in or create an account via email or with a Google account. So I'm just going to go ahead and log in right here. And here you are. So you should be able to see some form of dashboard that you have of all of the different websites that you have created before. But for us to go ahead and use a template, we're going to go into framer.com and then change this into /templates right here. So that's framer.com/templates. Make sure that we are logged in. And then just go ahead and use any of these. Now you can go ahead and use any templates that you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and take a look at this one right here. And then I'm going to be clicking on Get for Framer. And then if you are logged in like this, you should be able to see that this is a copied out version of it. And now you're able to go ahead and use this as your template right here. And you can just go ahead and customize your entire items right here. So just a quick breakdown of how a usual framer website would go. You would usually have a home page right here, and then you have some form of forward slashes onto other pages that you have added. So you have the example2 or /example2 right here, this page, and then another page right here, other pages right here. And then these are all pretty much highly customizable. So as you can see, you can go ahead and make changes to each individual ones and then change, relative position, any transformation, any styles that you want right here. And then you can go ahead and link everything up right here if you need. Now there is also the layer section. So this allows you to see what it would look like if it was to use different platforms if you want. And also the different assets right here. And there you go. You can go ahead and start customizing your framer template to your liking. As you can see, everything once again is customizable like so. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial helpful. See you guys next time.